I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact time machine cube model and its power readiness. This affects timing protocols. Once you confirm the model, charge or insert a fresh 9V battery and enable diagnostics so LEDs respond. Make sure to photograph and label faces 1 through 6 to track moves and avoid confusion. These steps prevent wasted reversals and let you reason about state changes. Now that diagnostics are live and faces labeled, proceed immediately to the first configuration sequence to create a stable baseline. You execute the core reconfiguration by running the base rotation sequence, RU2L, watching for 2 LED blinks that confirm resonance. Once done, apply the timing offset. Pause 1/2 second between each move so mechanical and temporal gears synchronize. If the diagnostic readout shows a parity error, adjust the timing dial by 2 units clockwise and repeat the sequence immediately. These calibrated pauses and small dial tweaks resolve drift. Keep monitoring LEDs and logs to ensure the cube transitions. You complete the process by locking the pattern. Hold the center button for 3 seconds until the green ring is solid, which secures the temporal matrix. Once locked, run a 5-second stability loop and confirm that LEDs remain steady and diagnostics report no drift. If anything goes wrong, do not panic. Reset the cube to the initial labeled photo state, replace or reseat the battery, and reapply the base sequence with the timing offset. This restart clears transient errors and lets you repeat precise adjustments until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.